Hi, this is Dr. Gallardo, and I want you to know there's a more permanent solution to missing teeth. It's dental implants. Sometimes disease leads to having to remove one or more teeth, but at our practice, we can naturally replace these teeth with implants. An implant is placed in the same position as the tooth roots to help secure the crown that's placed over the top of the implant. They appear completely natural and are more stable and permanent solution than dentures. In fact, we do an all-on-4 procedure which allows us to securely place fixed replacement teeth in your mouth with as few as 4 implants. That means no more concerns of your teeth falling out in public places or being self-conscious about your smile. And the best part, we have technology that allows you to get your dream smile in just one visit. Remember, this is more than just an expense, it's an investment in you. Think of what this represents: every meal, every conversation, every kiss for the rest of your life. If you want to know more about implants and whether they're a great option for you, give us a call at 305-447-1447.